Hello students, see, as if we have already discussed three formulas to find out regression coefficient B. Now, first thing, check the values of x and y. The values of x and y can be squared up without using calculator. So, you are supposed to use n sigma xy, the formula which carries n sigma xy. Let us understand this question and use the formula. See, from the following information of x and y, obtain regression line of y on x-axis, y that is dependent variable and x means independent variable. Estimate y when x is equal to phi. That means what is the value of estimation of y when the value of x is equal to phi is given. Also find its error. Now the value of x and y, that is 3, 1, 2, 2, 5, 3. These are simple values, small values, okay, which can be squared up easily. We are using the same equations, same formulas, okay. First of all, x, y, okay. In our formula, we are not going to use n sigma y square. That's why you are not supposed to prepare column of y square here. Here, the third column would be x square, fourth column would be xy, which is going to be used for your formula. Now, as if sigma x is ready, sigma y is ready, x square, 3 square, 9, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, okay, sigma x square and xy, that is multiplication of x and y. This is sigma xy 154. Now, find out first step, that is x bar and y bar, whether it is in point fraction, whether it is in complete, that means perfect values, okay, as if the values of x and y are small. So no need to think about your x bar and y bar, whether it is in fraction or whether it is in perfect value. Now, x bar is written, y bar is written, okay, use your formula to find out regression coefficient B. That is n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Place these values in your formula, you will get B, that is byx. We are supposed to find out regression line of y on x-axis. That's why this coefficient is of y on x-axis. B, it is already there, that is 1.93. By placing the values in your formula, B is ready. Now second step, that is to find out A. The formula of A is what? Y bar minus bx bar. Y bar, it is already ready, 8.5. B, that is regression coefficient, 1.93. Okay, and x bar, that is already ready, that is 2.67. Place these values in your formula to find out constant value of A. The answer would be 3.35. Now, B is ready, A is ready. You have to find out equation. And equation is what? Y cap is equal to A plus BX. Okay, that means regression line of y on x-axis, y cap is equal to A plus BX. That's why the value of 3.35, that is A, plus B 1.93 into x. Any of the equation will always include y and x. That's why it would be, regression equation would be y cap is equal to 3.35 plus 1.93 x. Now, they have asked to estimate the value of y when the value of x is equal to phi is given. Nothing else, don't worry about it. Okay, you are supposed to place the value of x in this equation. As if y cap is equal to 3.35 plus 1.93 x is given. The value of x is phi. X is phi. Place the value of x is equal to phi in this equation. That means 3.35 plus 1.93 into phi. That's why y cap, estimation of y, the answer comes to 13. Now, understand properly. They have asked to find out error, whether such error is there or not. We are having at x is equal to phi, we are having value of y, that is 13. This is your y. At x is equal to phi, the value of y is 13. We should have to find out that whether such a thing, that means whether such error is there or not. So the formula to find out error, that is E means error, is equal to y minus y cap. Y means this is the value of y. At x is equal to 5, the value of y, that is 13. That means y minus y cap. Y, that is 13. Y cap is also 13. That means 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. Now see, the value of x and y, that is little bit big. You cannot square such values without using calculator. So first thing, you should have to identify that whether x bar and y bar are perfect or not. That means identify x bar and y bar, and for such write down first thing, that is x and y. The value of x bar and y bar is 16 and y bar is 10. That means the x bar and y bar are perfect. That's why you are supposed to use formula x minus x bar. Sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar the whole square. Once again, we are not supposed to use sigma y minus y bar here. That's why the next column, that is sigma y minus y bar the whole square, that is not required. Okay, so the columns would be x, y, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, x minus x bar the whole square, that is x minus x bar the whole square, and x minus x bar, y minus y bar. That is multiplication of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. By having sum of such informations, that is sigma x minus x bar the whole square, sigma x minus x bar, y minus y bar, place such values to find out your regression coefficient byx. By placing such, the answer would be, you may write byx, you may write only b, that is minus 1.34. The next step is to find out a, that is constant, y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is ready, x bar is ready, b is ready, that is minus 1.34. Just place in values in equation, in formula, a is equal to y bar minus bx bar. So the value of a, that comes to 31.44. Prepare regression equation of y on x-axis. That means y cap is equal to a plus bx. That means a is ready, b is ready, x would be normal right now. That's why regression equation would be y cap is equal to 31.44 minus 1.34x. Now, read questions properly. They have asked, now important thing, also estimate the demand when price is rupees 20. Price is independent variable, demand is dependent on price. That's why price is to be considered as your x, demand is to be considered as your y. Price is given 20, that means x is given 20. You are supposed to estimate the value of y, that is demand. Same way, earlier, as per the earlier question, place the value of x. If x is 20, then find out the value of demand y. Y cap is equal to 31.44. Y cap regression equation is already there. You are just only about to place the value of x is equal to 20 in this equation. That means by placing the value, you are going to get the answer, that is y cap is equal to 4.64 units. Now, in such question, formula is going to be changed. See, the value of x is given, that is 55, 60, 75, 80, 100, 120 and 140. Same way, this is 18,000 common element, that is we are checking the values of x and y, and we are getting common element from this x and y. 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, that means 1,000 is common here and 5 is common here. As if the common element is there, we are supposed to, next thing that we are supposed to find out x bar and y bar. X bar, that is 90, y bar, that is 26,000. We required common element, that is Cx is equal to 5 and Cy is equal to 1000. Use the formula UV. That means what? U is equal to x minus a upon Cx. A, assuming you may take 90, you may take 80, whatever you are requiring, okay, whatever you like, you may consider such value of constant, that is A. Now V is equal to Y minus B upon Cy. B, that is 20,000. Cy is equal to 1,000. Cy, that is common element of next Y. Now after finding U and V, the next column would be U square. Next column would be UV. Same way, find out sigma U square, sigma UV, sigma U and sigma V. Place these values in your formula, that is B is equal to N sigma UV minus sigma U sigma V upon N sigma U square minus sigma U the whole square. Most importantly, that whenever you are using any common element in regression, it is must to multiply, that means Cy upon Cx. Why? Because we are going to find out regression line of Y on X. Obtain regression line of Y on X. Estimate the Y for X is equal to 110. That's why whenever Y on X is there, then it would be multiplied by Cy upon Cx. If the regression line is X on Y, then this is going to be changed, that is Cx upon Cy. Here it would be N sigma V square minus sigma V the whole square. Now place the values of all these things in your formula. Okay, you are going to get, that is 327.73. A, that is Y bar minus Bx bar. This is must, because your equation requires Y cap is equal to A plus Bx. A plus Bx. That's why B, that is already there. Find out A, Y bar minus Bx bar. Y bar and X bar, that has been replaced here. That means that has been placed here. Y bar minus B X bar. The answer would be minus 3,495.7. Regression line of Y on X, that is Y cap is equal to A plus Bx. That means place the value of A, place the value of B. This is your regression equation. They have asked to find out estimate value of Y for X is equal to 110. X is equal to 110. Find out the value of Y cap. Y cap is ready, that is minus 3,495.7 plus 327.73 X. Place the value of X in your equation, and by placing the value of 110 to X, the answer would be 32554.6. I hope you have understood properly. Learn formula first of all properly. Revise these questions. And if you have any problem, any doubt, you are free to message me at any time. Homework would be exercise 3.1, question number 3 and 4, and exercise 3.2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Textbook, exercise 3.1, question number 3 and 4, and exercise 3.2, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you find any doubt, any problem, then message me or call me. Your problems will be solved immediately. Thank you very much.